Planning for an international trip and confused about what to pack? Worry not, we've got you covered. Let's start with the absolute essentials. These are the things you must have, no compromises. First up, ensure your passport is valid with at least 6 months validity beyond your planned stay. It's a common requirement for many countries, and you don't want to be caught off guard. Next, get your visas sorted. Contact the embassy or consulate of your destination country to understand entry requirements. It's always safer to be prepared than sorry. Now, on to travel insurance. It's tempting to skip, but trust me, it's a lifesaver when things go south. From passport loss to medical emergencies, it's your safety net abroad. Don't forget any necessary medications. It's tricky to find specific medicines in foreign lands, and you certainly don't want to be hunting for a pharmacy when you should be exploring. And here's an often overlooked tip. Make copies of your essential documents and back them up on the cloud. It's your just-in-case measure. Lastly, ensure you have multiple payment options with you. Travel cards, a bit of cash. It's always good to have a fallback. Remember, being prepared with these essentials will help ensure a smooth journey. Once the essentials are covered, it's time to think about what you'll wear and use daily. While packing, it's crucial to consider the climate of your destination. Pick comfortable and practical clothing that suits the weather. Layering can be a great strategy for destinations with varying temperatures. Now, let's talk about luggage. A sturdy backpack or suitcase is a must, but don't forget about a smaller bag for day trips. This can be a lifesaver when you want to carry just the essentials while exploring new places. Hydration is key, so a reusable water bottle should definitely make it to your packing list. It's eco-friendly and can save you a few bucks on the go. Sun protection items like a hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen are also non-negotiable, especially if you're heading to a sunny locale. Toiletries are personal, so pack what you know you'll use. But remember, you can always buy basics at your destination. If you're a fan of the beach or gym, a microfiber towel can be a handy addition. It's lightweight, dries quickly, and can be a game changer in certain situations. Packing smartly can help you avoid overbaggage and keep your travel comfortable. In the digital age, traveling without electronics is almost unthinkable. But what exactly should you bring? Well, let's start with the basics. You'll need an adapter for electrical outlets unless you fancy frying your devices or hunting for a compatible socket. A camera is also a must. Whether you're a professional photographer or a casual snapper, make sure you've packed the accessories you need, from spare batteries to memory cards. Now let's talk entertainment. Long layovers and flights can be tedious, but a good e-reader or tablet can make time fly. Load it up with your favorite books, movies, or games. Don't forget your headphones. You wouldn't want to disturb your fellow passengers, would you? Travel apps can be a lifesaver on the road. From language translators to local guides, there's an app for almost everything. Google Maps can be a godsend, especially when you're navigating unfamiliar streets. Remember to pre-download the maps for your destination. Finally, consider getting a local SIM card when you arrive. It's usually cheaper and more convenient than roaming charges. And if you're concerned about security, a VPN can protect your data from prying eyes. With these electronics in your bag, you'll be ready to capture every moment and stay connected on your journey. So, ready to start packing for your international trip? Let's do a quick recap. Your essentials should include a valid passport, visas, travel insurance, and multiple payment options. Don't forget to check vaccine requirements and be early for your flight. For clothing and personal items, pack practical outfits, a rain jacket, sun protection, and toiletries. Remember, comfort is key. Lastly, in the realm of electronics, consider packing an adapter, your camera, headphones, and don't forget to download helpful travel apps. Each category plays a crucial role in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable trip. With this packing list, you're all set to embark on your international adventure. Safe travels!